Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it has been another busy week. Sunday, our son was down visiting, and so we kind of skipped church, and I baked cinnamon rolls for breakfast. And that afternoon, my husband and I came out and worked in the little fish pond here. And we put in the new pump and the new filter. You can still see the tubes leading to it. I haven't finished landscaping it yet. Wanted to make sure it was going to work for a while. Make sure I didn't have to do any adjustments before I finish putting the rock. I will basically make a little bridge with the rocks so that you don't see these hose. You'll just see the rocks. But anyway, I've got the filter going and the waterfall's going. It's got two filters in it now, one external and one internal. Two pumps in it, and one goes to the fountain and the filter, and the other one goes to a filter and the waterfall. So we did that Sunday. And then after fixing dinner, we took our son back to his place, and that was basically what we did Sunday. Got a lot done, really. That filter and stuff had been sitting on the dining room table for a while, and it was time to actually get into the ground and working before winter. Because come winter, I'm going to have to take the new filter and the new pump out and just leave the old one in, because the external filter cannot get frozen. So we got that done. Monday morning, Monday was not the greatest day in the world. Woke up, took shoes outside. She had blood in her urine again, so I ended up calling the vet and getting her medicine. Then we had to go up to Columbus for a few things, and that didn't turn out quite as we had planned, but at least we had a safe trip up and a safe trip back, so that was no problem. We did have some rain this week, and that was nice. We really needed it. The crops had gone from almost nothing to skyrocketing. They really responded to this rain. And on Tuesday, it was a nice breeze. Left shoes outside most of the day. Fleas are really bad this year. They're in the yard, something terrible. I walk across the yard and I have fleas on my legs. So I've been treating the house with baking soda and vacuuming every day. She's got her flea treatment. So we're trying to make sure all the fleas stay outside and none of them come in. The cats are a different problem, but they're in the garage. They do have fleas, and I'm working on putting flea spray and stuff. I had used front line before, but the two cats I used the front line on before, one died, and the other one wasn't exactly healthy for that month. So I'm not using the front line anymore. And also I started cleaning the house. Shampooed the downstairs carpets and washed everything that was downstairs that could be washed. Just getting my spa house cleaning done early. So I got all that done. And let's see what else. Wednesday it rained all day again, so I worked in the house again. Rotated the pantry. That was kind of depressing. Moving all those boxes. He couldn't move anything because he had some stitches in his head, so he couldn't move stuff. Wasn't supposed to lift things for the first couple days. So I was carrying all the food back and forth to the pantry and rotating it and organizing it. What else did I do? I vacuumed the garage and started cleaning the garage somewhat. Getting there slowly but surely. It's going to take a while. But hey, it took a while to get in this messy too, so what the heck. I have one little cat that I had to brush. Its fur was something awful. It really needs a bath. He is a long-haired cat, and for some reason he's the one that likes to bring in the fleas. So I had to brush him and use a flea comb on him before I would let him in the garage even. What we do on Thursday? Oh, Thursday I realized I have to repaint the bar pit cover. I had painted it white, and then after this rain, for some reason that white paint peeled in places, so I'm going to have to repaint that. I cleaned the downstairs bathrooms, and been turning on the irrigation system almost 2 or 3 times a week because of it being so dry. Let's see, what else have we done this week? Harvested some out of the garden. We've been using the tomatoes. We've been using the squash, cucumbers, peppers. Been getting all those, kale, getting that out of the garden. So I've been doing really radishes, getting those out. I think I've only got 2 radishes left to harvest. Need to plant some more of those. Let's see. And then that pretty much sums up the week. Did mow the grass on Friday. Mowed our grass. Saturday, we're expecting our son to come home. He hasn't made it yet by the time I got this video filmed. But he's supposed to be home today, and he's supposed to stay the whole week. So, hopefully you have a good week. And remember to like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Dream big and follow that dream. Bye, everybody.